another Epicflows Production.
Around 5 years now, me know. See, I tell you, every time the man move, it's a bad of him cause. See, it's like last week, man, at church, but him talking at tongues. Be a bad of him a check. You see me? Swear.
You know, Randy's a very, very nice person, but I really don't know how to deal with his addiction. It's just keep saying that dirty word all the time.
The Bomboclaat with this Bomboclaat camera and Bomboclaat light and Bomboclaat house. How are this woman?
That's what I'm talking about. You never come in and ask a decent question. You just come in with this.
Bomboclaat, this woman, bro.
This Bomboclaat.
Yo, I don't have a Bomboclaat problem. Zane, if them have a blood clot problem with Rodney, Zane. Every time I open my Bomboclaat mouth is the next blood clot thing. Every time I open my blood clot mouth, them have something Bomboclaat about me, Zane. It's like them not pray me, but me not say nothing. Me not do nothing. There's a blood clot talk most of the time.
You know, Rodney was a good youth. He was a cool youth, I should say, in a sense. He was a boy that gave a lot of troubles or a lot of problems. You know what I mean? Mommy used to say that he was one of the best ones. But from that day when he was introduced to the Twin of Twin CDs, that's when everything gone bad. Talking about he will not have it. And my God, and with his BBC words, I don't know why he's swearing like that, but it's a real bad addiction.
Bomboclaat.
What's what happened to you?
I'm not Bomboclaat, I'm telling the Bomboclaat, I'm to you.
So what the Bomboclaat for, Randy? What the cloud
What
for?
the Bomboclaat you mean with the cloud for, eh?
You know, honestly, we really get tired of this right now.
The Bomboclaat, what the blood clot you tired of, eh? When my blood clot get bun, eh? A man coming after the blood clot or say, give me food, eh? Every day they put my blood clot, you hop off one Bomboclaat case, girl.
Alright, Randy. Alright, I'm gonna hop off for your keys. Alright, I'm gonna hop off for you.
Are we all prepared to speak to Rodney about our concerns?
Yes, Doctor, but honestly, I don't know how Rodney would react to something like this.
Yo, it's really hard, you know, but I feel so we can make this work out. You know?
Yeah, man, I feel so this will work still, isn't it?
I completely agree.
If it took God, isn't it?
What are this Bomboclaat?
Rodney.
Rodney, please take a seat.
For why?
Rodney, take a seat again.
No, that's what Bomboclaat people them are living with have to take a Bomboclaat seat.
Rodney! Okay, Rodney. My name is Christine Newborn. Now, Rodney, I want to assure you that we are all here because we love you and we want to ensure that you have the best possible life
What all
ever.
this Bomboclaat woman about Bomboclaat love? I mean, even know her Bombo.
Let me finish. As I was saying, we are all here because we love you and we all have something special we'd like to say to you. Mr. Miller, would you like to go first?
Yo, Rodney, brother and a dog. Love you, you know, like bad man. But, you know, what make you all gonna feel cause so much cloud?
Which clout you talk about? You mean the look of Bombo?
Bloody hell, Rodney, it's the same one.
What all this Bomboclaat woman? Rodney, I'm a brother and a dog. Ratings feel coming like JP spelling a rasta. Ever tall in a dog. But more time I is like you're addicted to this one word, dog. You see me? And more time I have to swear from the general like my name Karen, your name Patul. We don't say really pretty thing. What do you mean?
Randy, life for you is like a constant struggle, you know. It's like you don't care. You don't even know how you make us feel. You know what? Sometimes I really think you don't care. You just really don't care.
You see now, Rodney, the people here all care about you.
Is that true? I'm addicted to Bomboclat.